Okay, you can see this injury here is a bit beyond the plug side of things. We'll need to get inside the tyre and put a proper radial patch on that just to get ourselves back to civilization. So that's where the tyre spreader comes into play. Okay, to set up the tyre spreader, we want the pivot block in the second position from the pivot point for the tyre spreader. Adjust out your nose plate as if we were working on a 16-inch rim, which is the second position. Then fit the tyre spreader on so we're opposite. We've got two sections there for the tyre to sit into. Using the retaining bolt, slide that in through there, lock the nut on. Then the anchor is going to fit into the slotted areas to open up the tyre. Just back it off enough that we can slip it up inside the tyre. And that should be pretty right. Okay, just lift him up, drop him into the tyre there. Sit it into place. A little bit awkward to get started, but just be patient. Get yourself a little bit of tension on to the thread there. Keeping everything in position. Once we get a little bit of tension on it, everything will start to sit into place easy for you. There we go, now we just need to get the spanner and tighten him up. Okay, so I'll just turn it around so you can see what we're doing there. We just need to keep tightening up the nut while we're doing that. That's just pulling that self apart like a big pair of scissors, opening itself out until we get that wall nice and tensioned. And that's getting pretty good there now. So we're going to end up with a nice flat surface to prepare the area that we've got our injury.